All right, so it's 2 o'clock here. I'm going to go ahead and start the recording, and then we're going to get started. So my name is Kira Leapson. I'm a web media specialist here at KMSI, and today we're going to discuss how to import and deploy Scorm course content into KMX. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to type it into the chat, and myself and one of our team members will be here to assist you. If you'd like to be unmuted at the end of the presentation, please let us know. So quick overview of what will be discussed today. We're going to give a general overview of what Scorm is. Then we're going to walk through step by step on how to upload Scorm content into KMX. And finally, we're going to discuss different ways to modify and upload content into the course outline. So what is Scorm? Scorm stands for Shareable Content Object Reference Model. It is a set of standards for web-based e-learning, and essentially it makes content compatible with an LMS or learning management system. Typically, files are uploaded as a zip folder, and within these zip folders, you'll find files that are XSD, XML, HTML. These are all different types of markup languages. XSD files specify how content should be described and structured, while XML files specify how content should be packaged and described. Both these files are very similar. The key difference between an XML and an XSD is that XML is a flexible method of creating and sharing data, while XSD is used to define the structure and the content of an XML document. And HTML is the standard markup language for web development. This is how the files will be launched and communicated into an LMS. So now that we've given a general overview of what Scorm is, we're going to walk through how to upload Scorm content into KMX. So first, we're going to click on Content on the left side of the home screen. And when you click on Content, you're going to be taken into this page. Next to Content Management, select the drop-down menu and select Import Scorm Package. Then you're going to click Next. Then you'll be taken to this page, and this is where you're going to import your Scorm package. So when you click here, a separate window is going to open. And that window is going to look like this. You'll notice there are a couple different ways you can import content. If you've already created a course, chances are you've already assigned it under a KS table. If you're unfamiliar with what a KS table is, it's the general subject courses are filed under. So let's say if you're creating a course on sales training, you might want to create a KS table named trainings. And within that KS table, you would find different courses for different types of training, like HR training or account management training. So in this field, you would select the drop-down menu and the KS table that the content is being uploaded under. Now, if a KS table does not exist for the content you want to upload, you can create that here within the same window. First, you would select the drop-down menu under the KS template and select the type of table you want to create. Then you're going to name the table right underneath. If you're uploading content from a third-party host or vendor, you would select the drop-down menu under third-party host and select which host content you'd like to upload, and then select the file. So if there was a ViewBiz or Skillsoft content you wanted to add to your course, you would find that here. Now there's two different ways you can upload course content into KMX. You can select Choose File, and then search for the file on your computer. One thing to note here is that all files or folders need to be uploaded into a zipped folder. Otherwise, you'll get an error message letting you know that the files are not zipped. The other option for uploading content into this window would be if you've already uploaded files into an FTP server waiting area. So maybe you've previously done a batch upload and uploaded a lot of content for different courses. By selecting the drop-down menu here, this is where you're going to find those previously uploaded files that are in the waiting area. Once you've selected the way you'd like to upload your course content, you can click either upload or select, depending on if you're uploading from your computer or from the waiting area. So for the sake of this training, I have a KS table that's already been created and a zipped folder of the content that I want to upload. Once you select the upload button, if the content has been uploaded successfully, a separate window is going to open, and it's going to be this, essentially verifying that your content has been successfully imported. So now that we've successfully uploaded content, we're going to go to the course outline where there's other features that you can use. So on the left side of the home page, you're going to select courses. And that's going to take you to this page. So select the drop-down menu next to the courses and select Review Course Outline, and then you're going to click Next. And on the next page, you'll select the KS table that you've uploaded your content under and select Next. Then you're going to select the course title that your content is under. You'll notice here, when I uploaded the zipped folder, it created the course for me. So you're going to select the course title and then select Next. So now that we're in the course outline, this is another way you can double check your content has been successfully uploaded and into the right course. In the course outline, you'll see some other functions here on the right side. If you want to upload or import additional content, there's a couple different ways that you can do that. If you want to upload content that's previously been uploaded into KMX and is already in the system, you can do that by selecting Insert Content. If you want to upload additional content that is not already in KMX, you can select any of these other icons that I've outlined here in the blue square. And it's going to upload the content in that file form. So if I want to upload a Word document, I would select the Word icon. If I want to upload an Excel document, I would select the Excel icon. You also have the ability to insert parts, sections, and topics into the course outline. If this is going to be a larger course with a lot of content, you may want to split up the course into different sections and parts just to keep it organized. First, you would insert a part, and then you can insert a section, which is going to be housed within a part, and then you can insert a topic, and that's going to be housed within a section. Now, on the left of those options is Preview Course. This is very important because when you click Preview Course, it activates the course and it makes it visible in KMX Direct. So once your course is all set up, don't forget to preview the course, otherwise it's not going to be visible for students. And the last function on this side is the default KS table. This is the KS table where all the content imported is going to be placed and housed under. So if we want to modify course records, we can actually access those pages right from the course outline. On the right side on top, you have the course record, and then below that is going to be the course content records. So if we click this top one here, it's going to take us into the course records. And then we'll be here in the actual record page where we can modify a bunch of different features. Now, this is a screenshot of just a snippet of the course records because it is very long and it did not fit on the slide. So the first thing here to note is that any fields in green need to be filled in order for the course to be set up. You're accessing the course from the course outline. Typically, the default KS table and title are already going to be filled in, but you will need to fill in the description. You'll also want to make sure the available and catalog right underneath the description is switched to on. This allows the course to be visible in the catalog on the KMX Direct site. Other features of the courses can be modified in this window. You'll notice that you can turn on features on or off by selecting the yes or no toggles. You can even set a passing grade for the course on the sliding scale. Now, if we go back into the course outline, you can select the course content record outline, and that's going to take you into those record pages. features of these courses can also be modified here as well. So again, anything that's in green needs to be filled in order for the course content to be set up. These fields are course KS table, content record, and course content title. If you're accessing the course content record from the outline, then typically these boxes are usually pre-filled in with that information. Again, you can modify the course content records. You can turn any of these features on or off by selecting the yes or no toggles. And you can also insert new content, and you can utilize these sliding scales. So if you import an exam or want to make it pass fail, you can play with the percentages here. So that's the end of this presentation. I hope you found this information useful and helpful. And now we're going to open it up to any questions or comments. Thank you, James. All right, so if there's no questions, I'm going to go ahead and end this meeting. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it, and I hope you found this useful.
Thank you, Kara.
Thank you.